If the mouse gestures in Microsoft Edge are getting in your way, or you just prefer a cleaner browsing experience, this quick tutorial is for you. In the next few steps, I'll show you exactly how to disable mouse gesture in Edge in just a few clicks. This is a simple setting, but it can make browsing feel a lot more comfortable if you keep triggering gestures by accident. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu. From there, click settings. That will take you into the full Edge settings page where you can control the appearance, privacy, browser behavior, and more. On the left-hand side, click appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and how some of its visual and interaction features behave. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find browser behavior and features. Click into that section because this is where Microsoft Edge keeps the option for mouse gestures. Once you're inside, look for the setting called Enable Mouse Gesture. You'll see a toggle next to it. To turn mouse gestures off, simply switch that toggle to the off position. As soon as you do that, Edge will stop responding to mouse gesture commands, which means fewer accidental actions and a more predictable browsing experience. If you ever want to bring the feature back later, you can always return to this same menu and turn it on again. Now that you know how to disable mouse gesture in Edge, you can customize the browser to better fit the way you work and browse. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.